self-reliant India is a dream that is being dreamt by all of our freedom fighters, and now Atmanirbhar Bharat as a scheme was launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2020. It is a way to make India self-reliant in every aspect of life of its citizens. Atmanirbhar Bharat. To execute the scheme, Prime Minister has also launched few other schemes related to Atmanirbhar Bharat as PLI, Product Linked Incentive Scheme, to boost the manufacturing in our country of different products. As we all knew, till this scheme was launched, we were import dependent in most of our daily used items. So after launching this scheme, PLI scheme, we have been quite successful in curbing our imports in smartphone manufacturing. And the second scheme launched under the umbrella scheme of Atmanirbhar Bharat is Make in India. Although the scheme Make in India was launched earlier from Atmanirbhar Bharat, but it comes under the orbit of Atmanirbhar Bharat. Make in India focuses on making products in India. It comprises of most of the sectors, most of the products that we use. However, some of things are as such that we can't replace them. As we all know, our petroleum exports, the major part of our imports come from petroleum. Most of our petroleum imports come from Gulf countries, so we are very much dependent on them. In case of any war or any hostile situation with them, we won't be able to sustain ourselves, as they might curb their exports. In this, our government has also worked in supporting our MSMEs. Government has been providing financial assistance to our MSMEs. To boost their production as the local manufacturing. MSMEs has been a major part of India's GDP as well, as more than 1/3 of our GDP contributions come from MSME sector. So it was very important to focus on MSME. However, now the cash flow in MSMEs has been increased by improving the loan facility to provide them loans.